how to receive everything that you want, how to get everything that you want. Even if you feel kind of nervous about receiving money or love or success, like you feel like you shouldn't get it, here's how you do it. And you set the law of attraction in motion to get everything that's in your mind so you can hold it in your hand and live your dream life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Let's dive right into it. I'm having an amazing day and I'm wishing you the same thing. Let's do it. Number one, realize you're worthy of receiving. So what happens is that we get this place, it happens around love, right? Like a lot of relationships have a lot of turmoil where one person will be giving so much to the other, but the other person has difficulty receiving it. It's really hard. It's like they kind of close off. It's like too much love. It's like a love overload. Well, it also happens in business endeavors. People don't feel worthy of the money that they might earn or the money that they want to earn. And it happens in all these areas of our life. And I want you to grasp this. You're worthy. The fact that you are alive as a human being on planet Earth, spinning on this tiny cosmic rock through endless space that's so infinite that when you look up in the sky and you see the stars and you say, how far away are those? And somebody says, oh, they're 80 million light years away. And you say, oh, okay, I can quantify that. What happens when I get there? How much further is it? Well, then there's more stars there and they go on for infinity and never ends. And we're here on the middle of this rock dust, spinning through space with all the technology that connects us all around the world. In fact, comment where in the world you're coming from just so you see. There's gonna be people from, I don't know, there might be 100 countries that watch this video. There are ways that we're connected all around the world to experience the joys and the beauty of life. We live in this marvelous world. So many amazing things, so many amazing opportunities to live our best life ever. And you wouldn't be here if you didn't deserve it. Truly, you would not be here on planet Earth if you did not deserve it. And so, grasp that. Comment down below, I am worthy of everything I desire. I am worthy of everything I desire. So that's your affirmation to replace, I don't know if I deserve it, it feels uncomfortable. I am worthy of everything I desire. And you start saying that and notice and start making it a practice where when somebody gives you a compliment, you don't flip it back over and, oh yeah, you're great too. You just say, oh, thanks so much. I'm receiving that. That's beautiful, thank you. I really appreciate it. Right? When somebody gives you money or wants to pay for something, oh, I'll pay for it. No, thank you. That's really nice of you. I'm practicing receiving right now. So that feels really good. I really appreciate you doing that. Thank you so much. I'm practicing receiving right now. Thank you. Practice that. I am worthy of everything I desire. Number two, realize that there's a yin and yang, a positive and negative. We live in a third dimensional polarity world. There's always a north side of the pole of the earth and there's a south side of the pole of the earth. Magnets always have a north and a south. And for the universe to be working at optimal order, there's always giving and receiving. And if you can't give, if you can't receive, you're blocking somebody else from giving. If you can't receive, you're blocking somebody else from giving, from the pleasure of giving. Now, that might be that they want to pay you $500 for your service, and you're like, you feel weird because it's a lot of money or something, right? But they think it's amazing, they're so excited, they want to give you the money because they want to receive, right? You're blocking someone else from giving. Understand that there is a time and place for snow, there's a time and place for sunshine. There's a time and place for high tide and there's a time and place for low tide. There's a time and place for daylight with the sun out and for nighttime. So make it your practice right now to recognize the ebb and flow, the yin and yang, the positive and negative, the polarity and the beauty of life, and move it into receiving. If somebody's giving, make it your practice to say, thank you so much. I'm practicing receiving right now. It feels uncomfortable, but I'm really, really grateful for you doing this, and I'm really grateful to be working you. I'm really grateful for that compliment. I'm really grateful for that lunch or that coffee or that money or that compliment. And I'm just practicing receiving, so thank you. Practice that. Number three, so willingly give and graciously receive. That's what Bob Proctor used to say to me. Willingly give and graciously receive. Think about that. So when somebody wants to do something amazing for you, you literally can say back, Well, thank you. Well, one of my mottos is to willingly give and graciously receive. So right now I'm going to graciously receive and allow you to give to me. Thank you. And I'll pay it forward. Willingly give and graciously receive. So here's what I invite you to do. You're going to block what you desire into your life. You're going to block the natural flow of the universe if you don't start to make the practice to receive even when it feels uncomfortable. It's just a habit that needs to form. It's all it is. And so my invitation to you is to notice when people want to give to you and to start actually practicing receiving. Notice your resistance. I don't know, no, I'll pay for it. No. Come on, they just offered to pay for it. You don't need to fight them about it. It's cool, someone's gonna give, you'll buy them lunch the next time. It's all good, or whatever it is, right? And so willingly give and graciously receive. Make that your motto. I willingly give and I graciously receive. Then you're in harmony with the higher order of the universe. And you're in harmony with this place of like, you can be a center of distribution that can give out amazing things and receive amazing things. You're in flow with the law of attraction. You're putting yourself in harmony with what you want. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and I'm daring you to practice receiving. Practice receiving unapologetically. Practice receiving. Practice receiving money and love and happiness and success and everything that you desire. Practice receiving it this week. Make that your #1 practice. Download my free success hypnosis down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Down below, you could start by receiving. From downloading that and using that, my gift to you. I've been using it for about 6 years. And I use it to reprogram my subconscious mind for abundance. So press the subscribe button in the corner right over there, and be sure to remember that you willingly give and you graciously receive. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.